Domestic animals: cow, goat, sheep, cat, dog, hen, duck. Animals and animal homes: dog, kennel, hen, coop, cow, shed, horse, stable, pig, sty, rabbit, burrow. Wild animals: lion, tiger, cheetah, bear, hyena, wolf. Wild animals: elephant, deer, giraffe, kangaroo, yak, zebra. Animals and animal homes: lion, den, bear, den or cave, rat, hole, ant, anthill, bee, beehive, bird, nest. Water animals: dolphin, seahorse, blue whale, jellyfish, octopus, fish. Water animals: seal, sea turtle, eel, squid, prawn, starfish. Birds: parrot, pigeon, sparrow, peacock, crow, eagle. Birds: kingfisher, duck, myna, hen, owl, ostrich. Insects: butterfly, grasshopper, dragonfly, honeybee, housefly.